Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler Design vlog. Today on the vlog we're talking about a dog. It's a dog vlog. Okay, enough goofiness. If you have a dog and you want window treatments that they can use and you can use at the same time, as you can see over my shoulder, a banded shade is a pretty good idea. And here's why. So with a banded shade you can see out. You're able to enjoy the view that's out there while still having the shade down. But your dog, you don't want it to put its nose on the shade. So here we have a little doggy who really likes me. He's been very friendly. And as you can see, if the dog wants to see out, it can, but you are still getting the benefit from the shade. So every type of product kind of has its own thing as to why it works for you. And for this one, the dog likes this one and the homeowner likes it as well. Thanks for watching the Kempler Design Dog Vlog.